Sauce on me. I got drip. Flood the wrist. It's homage to the.
Hey kings and queens, welcome back to the channel. It's a girl Aneke. How y'all doing or whatever? How y'all doing or whatever? Hey. Hey kings and queens, welcome back to the channel. My name is Aneke here on Aneke Budgets, and on here we do cash flow and budgeting, paying off our debt and mining or what? B-U-S-I-N-E-S-S or business, okay? So if that's something that you're interested in, go ahead and hit that subscribe button because we would love to have you here. So baby, no shade, no tea, let's get into the video, okay? Let's go. Okay, y'all, so yes, we have a little bit of switch up. We're going old school on the cash out, but I was gonna do this video, but then I decided to change my mind because I was like, every little bit counts and you need to show people that you're tracking your money every single way. So, right, basically, this is going to be a short video, y'all. It's not going to be anything long because there's not much that needs to be done. We're basically going to be doing two things. We're paying back ourselves money that we took out of our binder because I needed that money instantly, and I don't bring my credit card or my debit card with me because basically I live on base in a dorm room, and I can walk to my room and everywhere that I need to go if I need to, but I don't bring my cards with me just so I don't spend money, and I intentionally am working on self-control of not spending money on my phone as well and other things. So whenever I feel like, oh my god, I can just get it, I'm not. Like, I'm practicing that in this moment that you guys are seeing this video. So I hope you guys practice it too. But anyways, yes, so things had come up and I needed to spend that money, and yeah, I couldn't get to the bank or didn't have my cards to go to the bank to get money or whatever. So I basically took out my cash envelopes until now where I have the money and I can basically refill them. So I'm going to be refilling my SNC saving challenge, which is literally all we're doing today. We're going to refill the portions that we took out, and we're going to do a little scratching of that, and we're going to see how much is in there. So each week that I do the SNC, I put a note to say how much I put in there for that week. And so as you guys can see, there's that one, there's this one, there's this one, that one, and then the last one. So it's about 5 weeks or 5 times I put money into this saving challenge. So I took out $40 out of this saving challenge. So this right here was week 1, or the first time I did it, and as you guys can see, it says $35, right? But this is 10 and 15 before I hit the second week, so $20 is missing out of here. So I'm gonna basically put the $20 that was missing from week 1 back in here to basically say I refunded myself the money that I used. And so yes, so now this is back to $35. So 20, 30, and 35. So this is good. The next one is 22, as you guys can see, and Sept is 10, 15, 20, 21, and 22. So that is good. That is $22. The third one says $8, and that is $5, $6, $7, $8 right there. So that means that, what is that, fourth? 1, 2. No, that's the third one. So that's the third one. So that is good. This one says $16 is my total. So that's 10, 15, and 16. So we're good there. And then this one says my total is 22. But as you guys see, I only have $2. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put a 10, well, 2 10s in here to basically fulfill that. So like I said, all right, guys, I took out this money because I needed to make a purchase immediately, and so because I had to do that, I basically am reimbursing myself to make sure that I'm still on track. So this now is my SNC before I do anything else to it, before I add any more money. But now, you guys, I have on here, right, I have 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and $20. I have $20, which is $20 that I did not think I would be cash stuffing, because I didn't even think I was going to be doing a cash stuffing today, honestly. So I'm just grateful to be able to put something. But as you guys know, this is going to be used, or if you don't know, this is going to be used for that same challenge, for the SNC challenge. And then whatever, I'm going to scratch 2 numbers, and then whatever doesn't, here it is, whatever number doesn't get used, or if there's any amount of this money that doesn't get used, then I'm basically going to keep it to myself and put it with my allowance. So that is what your girl is going to do. I got my thing right here, and then this is where my coin is. Let me get my golden dollar. So it's my golden dollar. And close that bad boy back up. All right. Yeah, and so we're gonna see if it's gonna take all $20, or child, if it's gonna give me something, because please, hello, please. So as you guys know, I like to be symmetric, so we're gonna do the ones on the outside. Those are numbers that we're gonna be doing today. So the first number, right, is number 7. So this is not 77, child. I don't know if you guys can see the faded stuff right there, but it's not 77, it's number 7. So I always do mine multiplications of 2, if you don't know. So 7 times 2 is equal to 14. I don't know why I took that off. So this is going to be number 7 times 2 is equal to 14. So my first amount is $14 of this, and so baby, we need a 3 or 2 because we can't afford it. But you know what, it's cool, a 3 or 2. So this is 7, so that means that's 14. And so this one over here is, God, you guys can see it, but this one over here is a 9, a whole 9. Sheesh. So that is $18. Lord. Obviously, all right, so our 2 numbers were 7 and 9. So this is number 9 times 2 is equal to 18. And so 18 plus 14 is 32. I do not have $32, so I am basically going to give myself an IOU, and I am not opposed to doing an IOU for myself. And I'm gonna have an IOU of $12 because I only have $20. So literally 10, come on, 15 and 20, as you guys saw me count. 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. All of this is going to go towards my SNC challenge, which I am not opposed to. So it is a-okay. Now, do I wish that I could have some of this money to myself? Yes, I do, but that's fine. And I'm just going to put this back here for that week, and that will be that. But yeah, I really made this video for 2 reasons. 1, to keep me on track and to have visible accountability, okay? And then 2, to show that it doesn't matter how much money that you have, you always need to budget it, and you always need to put it where it needs to go, because baby, y'all didn't see it, but when I tell you, I was on here for like 10 minutes trying to figure out where the heck this money's supposed to go, and it was only $60 of that stuff, guys. It was only $60. It wasn't even a lot, but I was like, bruh, where did I put this money? Where did I take this money from? And so that's why, even when it seems like it's insignificant, like, y'all need to go ahead and y'all need to budget and put y'all money where y'all money's supposed to go. If you're doing the cash envelope system, make sure that you're putting your money back if you use it, because you know you have the funds. In my case, I had the funds, but I just couldn't go to the bank, so I just used what I had on hand until I could. If that is the case, make sure that you guys put back that money, because baby, ain't nothing like trying to figure that ish out afterwards. When I tell you, I was over here like, what is happening? Where is this money? What? Hello? Yes. So anyways, y'all, that is the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. yeah, and it wasn't a lot, but it wasn't a lot in monetary value, but I hope it was a lot in, you know, mental value. So just to help change the mindset, y'all. But anyways, that is it for the video. My name's Aneke. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see y'all in another one. Okay, bye.
How you wanna do it? How you wanna get it? I'm out that, out of my mind. Can't even talk, can't even walk. Bad little thing.